Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to your 29th Android tutorial for the new Boston. Again, we're going to have some text fun in this tutorial. Again, it's Travis. So, hopefully you guys know my name by now. But what we're going to do is basically set up, or kind of determine how to set the gravity within Java. So before we do that, I just wanted to open up our text XML real quickly and make sure you guys have this text field at the bottom, which was our TV results, or basically our display in Java is what we called it. But again, the gravity we set center in XML, so it's in the center of the screen. But also for what we're going to do in this tutorial, this is the most important part. You want to have the layout width as fill parent. So if you guys follow along, you shouldn't have to change that or anything, but just make sure our activity works for the most part. Make sure it says fill parent and the gravity is currently set to center. So now we're going to go into our Java, text play Java here, and we're going to set up, or we're going to determine how to set up the gravity within XML or within Java. So we created this text view called display, and that's the text view we were just talking about in the XML. Now we're going to use it within this method. So we're going to say display, and we can say use some methods on it, and it's pretty easy. We're going to say set gravity. Makes sense, right? Because that's what we're doing. And what we're going to define basically within the parameters is we're going to refer something to something from within the gravity class. So again, this is a class called gravity, and we're going to hit dot, and then we have some choices here. So as for this is if our check string equals left, so we're going to set the gravity to left. So again, it's just gravity.left, and then we just hit our semicolon and it finishes. Again, we're getting this error because we need to add a final to our display object when we started it. So we're just going to do that. Again, it's just right there, final. And then basically we're going to do the same thing for the center and right. And it's just going to be the code gravity.center and gravity.right, all uppercase for the center, left, and right. So there we go. We basically have our application set up, but you know, we're still going to do some other methods. So we're just going to copy and paste this if else and set up the brackets for our next tutorial for the most part. Hit enter, and we're going to we're just going to use one, and we're going to say blue, because I just want to show you the example of how to change the text color. So if again they say blue, we're going to set that up in the next tutorial. If you guys don't really care about the color, you can skip the next tutorial if you want. I won't be offended, but I mean, either way, I'm still going to cry at night when I go to bed. So alright, let's check out our application, make sure it works. Again, I hope that's pretty easy concept. That's just the text view, and then we're setting the gravity within Java. So click our text play, and then let's test it out. We're going to say left, and I'll turn the toggle off so you can see the text goes to the left. Pretty sweet. But again, it's case sensitive, so if we did right like that, it's not gonna work. So again, thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial where we're gonna learn about colors for the most part. Alright, see you guys later.